about. So the amethyst, like the one that I have in my room here, sitting right behind you, is I've just it's just that's just a special one for me because it has just such beautiful properties for my yeah for growth, for intuition, and it helps in some of those really uplifted highway. Yeah. Oh, and, it's the purple, sometimes the color of it is part of its benefit and support for you. Sometimes it's the crystal itself, its form and its shape, and just the vibrational qualities, about it that we can utilize. It helps reduce stress, emotional turmoil that might be going on, providing calming and protective energy. And so, I do have this in my room where I work a lot because it brings that tranquility and support for whatever I'm doing and for the people that visit me in my space, um, remotely or in person. And so
Mhm.
it just allows you to be able to do some really uplifted and magnificent work with people with the support of these crystals.